Today, we are setting up the monthly spread for January 2026. So I'm going to be using a new style kit. Well, new to me. It may not actually be new. But a new style kit that I got from Exomama Plans called her Monthly Universal, which I thought would work really well since I'm using a different style of planner. Now, January, I need to start really thinking about, really January and February, scheduling out certain tasks that I have when it comes to like some of my goals and some of the things I have planned. So I'm probably going to keep this quiet and decorate and chat at you via voiceover. I think that's going to do better so that I can really just take my time and think through how I want this spread to look. I will say I really enjoyed using this kit from Exomama Plans. The fact that it's universal and it isn't set up for a vertical or anything like that is really helpful with this style of planner. I will definitely be going back. I already have February's kit, so I will need to go back and get the other ones because these are great. I love that the washi fit across the top just like that. I also love that I could change the monthly to be a Monday start should I want to. I'm not sure I'm ready to commit to that yet. My brain tends to stop functioning when I move to a Monday start, but this might be a planner to try it out in. I don't know. What do you think? Comment below. Are you a Sunday start or a Monday start? And who doesn't love watching people put numbers down on their planners? There you go. Deciding where January was going to fit, once I looked at it on that side there, I was like, that's where it's going to have to go. But then I was trying to figure out where the journaling, like tear stickers were going to go to, and it was a little bit, I almost went back to the safe, put January in the top right corner, and I was like, no. We will not. We will do something different. Huzzah. One of my big things with my monthly spreads for this year is to assign tasks to dates. Now, while you don't see me assign certain tasks that I'm really working on, like my teacher trainer tasks, what I am doing is putting in all of the things that may inhibit getting those tasks done, meaning days that are already booked with something else, like doctor's appointments or holidays, or the fact that I need to, I need some more professional development points, so I've got to make sure that I have classes for that. So that is what my monthly calendar, what you're seeing as I plan out here today, that's what you're seeing me plan, is all of the days that are already booked with other things. the real appeal that I'm writing down here is my health and wellness meeting, weight loss, trying not to use another name of a different company here. But it's a lot like that company that I'm not mentioning. So there's weekly meetings on different topics. So I want to make sure that I set aside time, that I know that that time is booked. Okay. That part is really important to me, making sure that I see where things are booked. Same as when the course that I am starting starts. It doesn't start at the beginning of the month, but making sure I set aside those times. It's important to know where your time is going. I do like to cover up that financial box because I don't use it. So that's where I'm putting my books for the month. And I accidentally misread a book. I misread a prompt. It's actually the prompt for February. So I'll have to go back in later and look at that. And I'm trying to make sure that I'm looking back when I write in my action steps and goals here, that I'm looking back at what my quarter one goals are. And making sure that I'm applying that, not just reaching in thin air for what I'm doing. So that's going to wrap it up for my January plan with me. Again, let me know in the comments below if you are a Sunday start or a Monday start person when it comes to your monthly calendar. And I hope to see you back at my planner desk next time.